Well, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Mayuri Malank and I'm the host of this event. And it gives me a sense of immense pride and pleasure in welcoming you all to this beautiful Mumbai morning with the breathtaking view of Gateway of India as a backdrop for Financing Women Collaborative, an initiative by TransUnion Civil, Microseed Consulting and Women Entrepreneurship Platform. Let's begin this beautiful event with a huge round of applause, everybody. Come on, it's a wonderful initiative. Inspiring story आहे तुमची आणि सगळ्या महिलांना होतकरू महिलांना तुम्ही खूप छान असं प्रोत्साहन देताय त्याबद्दल तुमचं हार्दिक अभिनंदन. तुमच्या पुढच्या वाटचालीसाठी खूप खूप शुभेच्छा.